Hey there, fellow herb enthusiasts. Today I'm going to share my secret methods for keeping cilantro fresh. You know, that controversial herb that makes some people sing with joy, and some people just can't stand it. It's a biological thing. First things first, when we get home from the market with our leafy treasures, we need to play cilantro detective and remove any suspicious-looking yellow or damaged leaves. Think of it as herb quality control. One bad leaf can spoil the whole bunch faster than gossip spreads at a family reunion. Let me break down my foolproof methods. Method 1. The Spa Treatment Deluxe. This is where we really pamper our cilantro. In a large bowl, mix baking soda, our natural disinfectant, with a spoonful of salt, our antibacterial agent. Soak the cilantro for exactly 10 minutes. Think of it as a herb meditation session. When washing, be gentle. Cilantro is like that sensitive friend who bruises easily. Pat it dry, or if you're impatient like me, use a kitchen towel. You'll want to remove as much water and get those leaves as dry as you possibly can. Then wrap it carefully in plastic wrap. Remove all the air. We're not making herb bubble wrap here. Pop it in the fridge and it'll stay fresh for 2 whole months. That's longer than most of my houseplants survive. Method 2. The deep freeze, which is, honestly, my personal favorite. This is my lazy genius method. Perfect for those of us who like to plan ahead. First, clean and dry your cilantro the same way as in method 1. Then, chop up your clean cilantro into whatever size pieces you want. Next, place these into a resealable glass container, such as a small casserole dish. Here's the key. Don't squish the herbs when putting them in the container. They need their personal space. Store it in the freezer for up to a year. And just grab what you need when you need it. No thawing required. It's like having instant cilantro on demand. Important note. Once you take some out, don't let it defrost. Use it immediately. It's now or never. The best part about all these methods, when cilantro prices spike at the store, and they always do, I just stroll to my freezer, balcony, or fridge and grab some of my stash. And let me tell you, nothing feels quite as satisfying as having fresh cilantro ready to go when a recipe calls for it at 10 p.m. on a Tuesday. So there you have it, my comprehensive guide to keeping cilantro fresh basically forever. Now go forth and preserve your cilantro like a pro. Your future self and your guacamole will thank you.